What's your name and where'd you come from?
I'll go again.
Steering wheel. Steering wheel. Steering wheel.
Oh, but hey, man. No?
Hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Director and MK Sportscars. Working here, buttoning up the rest of the turbo conversion stuff here on the RX5. I've got some house cleaning duties to do, so while I'm doing that, why don't you head over and meet the team.
My name is Neil and I do all the frontline sales. I answer the phone, so if you've got you call in, you're likely to get me on the end of the phone, doing technical support as well as frontline sales, selling cars to people. I basically get the good job around here where I sell the cars to people rather than sort of have to put things together and what. How long have I worked here? Well, I started the whole thing. How long have I worked here? It's a good question. So we bought the business in 2016. Sean and I started Kit Car Direct off the back of not being able to get parts. So I set that up and I brought Sean in. Sean and I then picked up and we ran Kit Car Direct for a little while, and then Sean and I we bought the MK brand in 2016, and we've taken it from strength to strength. Now, obviously, having bought AB Performance and now the new acquisition of Striker Cars, yeah, we've got some good things happening. We've got some big things happening. So fingers crossed. Yeah, everything should be quite good. We've developed a new car. Sean has developed the Mazda base car, which seems to be a very hot ticket at the minute. We've also re-read all the Sierra components that were, so is reproduce and remanufacture all the Sierra components that are used on the Indy RR and RR, and they will obviously be then used now on the Striker cars. So yeah, it's quite exciting times actually.
Right, I'm Sean Smith. I'm one of the co-owners of MK Sportscars, which includes AB Performance and Striker Cars and all of the other things and Kit Car Direct that go with it. And what do? Well, everything really. Me and Neil, we run the business. But fundamentally, workshop side of the business. Yeah, so MK Sportscars, what are we as a brand? Well, it's family orientated, that's what we are. All the guys that we're working with here, all one big family, and anybody who joins the scene with us, we all consider them our family friends. It's great fun.
Hi, I'm Roselle and I work at MK Sportscars. I'm in the kind of parts team. I'll answer your emails and queries. Sometimes I'll answer the phone. But I do kind of a little bit of everything apart from what I don't work in the workshop. I don't get my hands dirty. I must admit, some days it doesn't feel like your usual job, because we do have a laugh here. It's obviously we have to take it seriously when need be, but we do have a laugh here. It's a really nice, friendly team. It feels like a family. I've been here just over 2 years now, so I've seen the business grow and evolve to what it is now, and it is booming. I can't believe how many cars we're selling and how many parts we're sending out the door every day. But it's really exciting to work here at the moment, I have to say.
My name's Sam and I obviously work here at MK Sportscars, Kit Car Direct, and I pack parts and do goods inwards. Love the brand, love learning about the brand, love working with Roselle. Yeah, and as Ros says, we are a family.
Hello, I'm Joseph and I work at MK, and I'm an engineer, and I put the cars together, service cars when they come in, general fixing of the cars. Been here roughly 2 years now. It's probably one of the best jobs you could probably have, playing with these toys and doing it daily.
I'm Peter, I'm one of the engineers. We build the cars, we repair them. a good group of people. Everyone gets on well. It's a good team.
Hi guys, my name's Anna. I'm the videographer for MK Sportscars, and I hope you like what's to come.
Right, so here we've got one of our wonderful MK Indy RX5 kits getting loaded up here to go to its new lucky owner and builder. Actually, is an Essex-based boy, so he'll be pleased to see he's going to be building this. He's actually ordered another kit before he's even got this one built, so even better. So Ollie's going to enjoy building this one, then he'll probably put it out for sale, and he's going to start cracking on with another build as well. So this is an RX5 Mazda base kit, pretty comprehensive what he's gone for here. What colour bodywork's he gone for? Black, is it? White and black bodywork on it. So what we do now is just start loading it into our van as part of our delivery service that we can offer you as a customer as well. Want to know about that? Hook us up on the phone, call, email, Facebook, carrier pigeon, I don't mind, and then we can let you know what we're about. Carrier pigeon, woohoo!
This one's an Indy RR. I'll probably do about 140, so you're doing quite a considerable speed when you're going along. And being low to the ground as well, it makes it even appear faster than anything. This one's only been in the workshop about a week. Well, it's got to go for the IVA test. And once it's obviously passed the IVA test, it will go out straight away. But it'll be done within the week, I would think. Everything running according to plan. The spaces have moved. Some little spacer that goes in to hold it. Oh, when it goes out, it'll be fully checked over, nut and bolt checked, final time, and all oils, waters, all lubricants, ready to go. It'll get a final clean, and it'll go.
Right guys, well I'm prepping some parts here, ready for the CBR1000RR Indy R car we're refurbishing over there. So while I'm doing that and cracking on, why don't you head over and take a look at the Phoenix. Well, this week guys, we've got the MK Sportscars Phoenix, new addition to our range, running the 2-litre C-Tech supercharged 220 horsepower, brake horsepower engine. As you can see, the Phoenix, very streamlined. It was mirror tested, actually, this car in the wind tunnels, very aerodynamic, and won many championships in the RGB, as it was class, race series in the early 2000s. It runs the same chassis as the Striker, just with outriggers to attach the bodywork, so we know the chassis itself is a fantastic handling chassis. It's Sierra based, so it runs forward running gear with the Z-Tech engine and a Type 9 gearbox. It runs independent rear suspension with inboard independent rear shockers and dampers as well. We offer various options on the damping styles that can be done. At the moment we're running 7x15 alloys. They're forward fitment with RS200 front uprights and Ford Sierra base running gear on the rail. They're modified drive shafts on the rear. The bodywork comes in composite, so it's GRP bodywork, so it's a gel coat finish, which you don't need to be painted, but you can if you wish to, and it comes in various colours, and also it's in a modular base, so you have a front tub, a rear tub and 2 quarter sections under the side seals. If you want to know more information about the Phoenix and the rest of the cars in our range, then head over to our website.
Sean's been busy in the workshop. Bit of track day footage now. Let's head over to Snetterton and have a couple of laps.
guys, well, another week. Hope you enjoyed this week's episode. Don't forget to check out our social media page and our Facebook page, and also the model range on the MK Sportscars website. That checks that out. So what we're going to do is going to crack on. Housekeeping duties done. Crack on with the turbo conversions. Don't forget to press that subscribe button, like and share, and we'll catch you next week. Tools down.